If you want to view daily steps recorded by your Apple Watch, you can simply do this by opening Health application on your iPhone. Now go to the right bottom corner, search, go to the activity, and when you scroll a little bit, you can find steps. It's available just over here. Let's go for the day, and by clicking here, you can change date. There we go. So let's say I want to check this for this one for Monday, and this every orange icon means that you were actually wearing your Apple Watch while walking. So the last time I was wearing this device, that was like 2 days ago, and here I can find this specific number of the steps. It's available just over here, and you can also check this specifically for the time. So from 11 to 12, I just cover like 67 steps according to my Apple Watch. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find it useful.